Yo, it's your boy icedoutden. We back with another video. Now today we are going to be trying two different types of chips from the producers rapsnacks. But before we get into the video, I just want y'all to like, comment, subscribe down below. Like and comment down below. Make sure you subscribe too so you can see all my cold videos. Cause you know your boy be dripping. But up first, let's get into the video. So today we have the famous Fetty Wop chips, honey jalapeno rapsnacks. Yep, these look pretty cool. And then next we have Cardi B cheddar barbecue rapsnacks. I'm gonna read a little quote on the back of Fetty Wop that says, "Nobody put me on. I got up and worked extremely hard for what I have. Nobody can take that from me." I like that. You like it? It's true. Now I'm gonna read hers a little later because I want to get into the video because her quote is a little longer than his. We'll read hers in the video. Alright, without further ado, let's open the bags. So we're gonna open the jalapeno first. Dang. See, why these bags are always so much air? Like, you get it? Like this. You know what I mean? Go open it. Thank you. Alright. Yeah, show them real quick. That's it. Do they look the same? They look a little bit the same, but this one got like some, what's the name on it? Alright, let's try this one. Well, I kind of know how these taste. Let's try this one first. I'm more excited for Cardi B. Smoking it?
It's kind of like a bacon cheddar type stuff.
Yeah. I'm gonna get the first one.
Let's get into it.
I don't know if it's water. I don't know why. People been saying these nasty, but I think we're talking about the Cheeto Puffs. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. It ain't even that bad. Like, pretty good.
I feel like that's kind of a spice a little bit. That's the barbecue sauce, maybe a little spicy.
Yeah, I like these already. Alright.
What's that again?
These are cheddar barbecue. Do you taste any cheddar? I can barely taste cheddar. I don't taste
that tastes barbecue.
Yeah, that's barbecue, sure.
But it doesn't taste like straight up barbecue. It tastes a little bit different. So maybe that's what cheddar blended together.
I guess it's the cheddar.
I think it's blended in. You can't really.
It might be like $10 jalapeno or something. But we're going to move over.
A little bit.
Yeah.
They're good.
Let's move over to the jalapeno chips. The honey jalapeno chips. I'll tell you what. Now y'all might say honey and jalapeno. Honey and jalapeno may not be a good decision to put together, but it works. Trust me.
Ooh. Sorry. That wasn't for the tasty. Okay, we get another one.
Yeah, cool.
Okay.
Alright, ready? You got a real season one. Ready? 3, 2, 1. That's my little brother in the background, just so y'all know, so y'all won't be shocked by the sound.
That's his friend.
Yo, be quiet.
Oh, no worries. It's okay. Oh, this really got some. That jalapeno's coming through. Right. You can really taste the spice on there.
This was a little bland, a little bit of barbecue, but it was kind of, but you couldn't really, you had to really search for the flavor. This will hit you with the jalapeno.
This hits you hard because of the spice, but that to me had plenty of flavor.
Look, when you smack with this one, like, you know how you smack and you taste more flavor? Yeah, I can't really taste no cheese, but when I smack with this, I can taste the honey. There was the honey and the jalapeno, so I can taste both sides of the flavor. I'm good. I like these. Fetty Wop.
I'm picking up some cheddar.
Fetty Wop.
After my second one. I must say I really like this. Because everybody don't like spicy food, so some people may not.
Oh, look, spice. Spice game all day.
Me too. This has a little bit of spice to it.
Spice game all day, baby. Yeah,
Okay, so, you really like cheddar?
I like honey jalapeno better. Fetty Wop.
You wanna know why?
What? This?
I like this one better.
Why?
Because it has the spices you need. It also has a little bit of sweet. It has a bit of cheddar. I can taste all of the flavors. This one to me tastes more like hot.
Mama, stay true to who you are. You don't taste like that. It's nasty, ain't it?
That's what she said here. That's her quote. You can tell she's supposed to read her quote. You know you would read all of this. Her quote is "Stay true to who you are." I'm truly am.
Yeah. One of the rules on the back, so I didn't get to read it earlier. So what it says is, being successful in life and in the being successful in life and in the music business is all about being true to who you are. Like you see right here. Knowing your self-worth, never sweating the small things, and always following your gut instinct. If you follow the rule of thumb, it will eventually create a recipe for success. Alright, Cardi B.
The rule of thumb is
Okay, Cardi B. I like that. You know what? For that, I'm gonna take another chip.
I'll take them.
Oh, now I taste the cheddar. Yeah, I taste the cheddar now. I guess like the chili at the top of the bag, they ain't really had too much seasoning.
Those are good. I had a lot of different flavors to it.
I can taste the flavor now. I like these, but Fetty Wop for the win. Like Fetty Wop, man.
For your win. Can I just take these? And go.
I guess.
He don't want to give me the rest of this bag.
Alright, well. If y'all did enjoy the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And, you know, in the comment section, make sure you leave whatever you want me to make. You know what I mean? If you didn't like this video, put a dislike. Either way, it helps along the way. Go ahead and comment with whatever you would like to see. Gaming, challenge, whatever. Pranks, I do it all. I don't mind. I ain't